Duke Chapel, as you know, is the icon of this great university. And as you have also heard, it's also a vibrant center for worship and actually a sanctuary for all people. According to the Huffington Post in May 2014, the most spiritual place in North Carolina, surprisingly, was not Cameron Indoor Stadium, but Duke University Chapel. As you enter this space this morning, we invite you to touch the past, experience the present, and anticipate the future while joining us on this wonderful mission of hope.